For the past several hours, we've been digging through a new 6-count indictment just handed down against Vance Belter.
Federal prosecutors are taking steps to seek the death penalty for Belter. He's accused of impersonating a police officer and killing Melissa and Mark Hortman and shooting John and Yvette Hoffman.
Richard Reeve is live at the federal courthouse in Minneapolis with new details of the crimes laid out in a just unsealed search warrant.
Lindsay, acting U.S. Attorney Joe Thompson called the killings political assassinations. He announced the grand jury had returned what's called a true bill, which means the prosecution against Belter can move forward.
That indictment includes charges of stalking and murder against Belter, and for the first time includes charges for the attempted murder of the Hoffman's daughter, Hope. It also included special findings, which federal prosecutors say is the first step towards seeking the death penalty.
The ultimate decision as to whether to seek the death penalty will not come for several months and will ultimately be decided by Attorney General Bondi with input from the Capital Case Unit and the Department of Justice, along with this office and the victims.
Prosecutors also laid out new investigative details about what happened that night. Investigators saying Belter was talking to Mark Hortman when police arrived for a welfare check after learning about the shooting at Senator Hoffman's house nearby. Belter gave Mark Hortman a fake name and badge number before gunshots were seen. Squad car video showed several muzzle flashes in the stairwell of the Hortman home. Audio from the security camera helped investigators piece together the path of terror.
Belter shot and killed Mark Hortman at the entryway to the house. Belter then moved past the fallen Mr. Hortman and into the home where he shot Representative Melissa Hortman several times at close range, killing her as she attempted to flee up the stairs.
So a decision on the death penalty in this case is likely months away. Belter remains at the Sherburne County Jail tonight. Now, coming up tonight on Nightcast, we'll have details of a letter Belter sent to the FBI giving his version of the events of these shootings. Reporting live, Richard Reeve, 5 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Rich. And after that federal indictment was unsealed, the Hoffman's daughter, Hope, released a statement. In part, it says, "I feel relief today in knowing that the perpetrator of these heinous acts will be charged to the fullest extent of the law." Hope wasn't physically hurt during the attack. Senator John Hoffman, though, was shot 9 times. He's now in transitional rehabilitation care. His wife, Yvette, was shot 8 times and spent about a week in the hospital.